Hey yo, this is Dash, and today, some of you guys know what these are. Some of you guys might not. These are my potato boxes. Every year, or for the past 3 years now, I've been trying to grow sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna harvest these, and that noise you hear, that's taste tester number 2 out at his basketball hoop. Anyway, please ignore that. I'm trying to hurry up and get this done before the light dies. I need to go get a drum. I have a drum that I keep the dirt in that I just use for the next year, following year. But time for me to get the potatoes out of the box, so join me. Hey yo, this is Dash.
Get ready.
So I, of course, have a steel drum that I keep and store my dirt in after the year's up. Now, this year, I've really left the potatoes alone. I did water them a time or two, and I picked them up in here, but you guys didn't even see a video on these guys because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. We shall see. Like I said, I'm plucking everything off of the top, and hopefully we have some potatoes this year. Oh boy, I see some already. Some little guys. There's some a little bit bigger. Alright, well. This one says this one gave me a potato already to look at. We'll dig down in here for a little bit and see what I can find. Cow! I have potatoes! Look at this! Look at this. Look at that. Alright, so after clearing out the first box, here we go. It's probably about a good half a dozen Good potatoes in there. Really happy how that turned out. So the box is cleared out. Dirt's put back away. And time to move on to the second box. Okay, so I am just about finished here, and I have both of my boxes cleaned out, and this is the harvest from this box, the second box that you guys watch me pretty much harvest everything from. This box produced a lot bigger sweet potatoes, but I still have to figure out how to get more. But at least I'm moving in the right direction. The first year I grew some red potatoes, and this was pretty paltry. This, as you can tell by the title, is the moment we've all been waiting for. So this is what, 12 to 14 weeks. I think I'm actually gonna try and do the math and see how many weeks this potato tower has been growing. There we go. Hopefully. All right, so there's a little over a dozen potatoes in there. Some are bigger than others, but hopefully that comes out on camera. Last year I had better results, and I grew some bigger sweet potatoes. And today I'm going to be harvesting potatoes. Obviously, this is what you guys want to see. Yes, look at that. Isn't that crazy? I got some potatoes. And actually, some of you guys might remember that video I did in collaboration with Alton, who was new to the scene about last year this time, that ribs and a side. And I made some beef ribs with the sweet potatoes that I grew here at home. All right, so here we get ready to finish this out, and I wanted to take a moment to thank Dogfather, inspiration for this cook. He hit me up and he said, hey, well, actually, I saw the video, then he hit me up and said, hey, rib and the side. And I'm like, challenge accepted. So just so happened I had some beef ribs in the freezer. I took them out, we smoked them up. Also, the sweet potatoes, if you guys again don't remember, I grew these sweet potatoes, so that's why I made these sweet potatoes. Nothing better than having something that you grew at home. Fix my plate up real quick, and I'm I'm getting ready to throw it down. And then this year, you saw, here is the second half, and I'm gonna combine it with the first half. And for, I mean, growing they were probably like $2 or $3 plants. I think it was one tray, maybe it was about $5 for that one tray. And the dirt I already had, because I made that investment. I don't have much invested into this. And I'll let these boxes sit here. It'll sit here all winter long. And then next summer, I'll just put this dirt that I pulled out back into here, fill it up about halfway, plant the plants, and we'll see. Hopefully we can get a harvest bigger than that next year. Next year, I'm actually going to do a little more homework, a little more research, and figure out what I need to do to properly give the soil some nutrients so the potatoes can grow bigger and better. But I'm learning, and if you're interested in seeing more of this, then next year I will do a more in-depth video. I know the video didn't do so well last year, so I didn't even show you guys the updates on it this year. But if you're interested, let me know. Thank you guys so very much, as always, for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a comment below and a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you can be notified whenever one of my videos goes live. Last but not least, just a reminder, we go live on Wednesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern. First hour, we talk something barbecue related. Second hour, we kind of shoot the breeze, and you got to be there to understand what's so cool about it. Anyway, thank you guys again so very much, and I'll see you next time.
More butter, baby.